friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you some super easy Dollar Tree fall decor. It takes 5 minutes to do. But before that, I want to share with you my new tool. I got this hot glue gun from a company called Monvict. They sent it to me to test it out, and that's exactly the perfect time because I was needing one. As you can see over here, it can be used cordless, which is great. Sometimes I don't like to have a cord hanging around when I'm working on some projects. Also, it has two heat settings, which is also great depending on the material I'm using while I'm crafting. This came with 12 glue sticks, and also these finger protectors that are super important while crafting. I will have in the description box 10% off code if you would like to order one if you're in need of a hot glue gun. And now let's start with my first project. For this project, I'm going to be using this jar, mason jar that I had left over from some sauce, I believe, and this Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. I already cut it in a size that I need, and now I'm going to put 2 dabs of a hot glue on the back of it, and I am going to attach the ribbon to the jar, and then I will do the same thing with another part of it. I'm sure you already seen this type of crafts many times, but this is my take on it, and I'm going to show you how I made it. I'm just fringing a little bit this burlap ribbon in the back, cutting off the excess, and then that's going to be it for this part. Next, I'm going to be using these 2 artificial maple leaves. They came from Dollar General. I had them a long time ago. I think I bought them last year. And I'm going to hot glue them on the front of this mason jar on the top of the burlap ribbon. And then I'm using a white jute twine from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap it around 2 times like I'm showing you over here and glue it on the back. And that is it for this quick and easy decor piece. Now, very similar, I'm taking this bottle that I got from, I think leftover from salad dressing, and then the same burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And now I'm gonna fringe or fray this one end of this ribbon a little bit more because I wanted that to be visible, and that's going to be up front. So again, I am using my hot glue gun, and this time I'm using it cordless, so I wanted to show you how it works good cordless as well. And then I am attaching the front part, and you see over here that fringe, it really looks beautiful. And now I'm gonna add these buttons that I had on hand, and you see I'm showing you that I'm working cordless, and I'm gonna attach them over here. Even cordless, it works really great. I've noticed. Of course, I didn't work for a long time, so I don't know how long the heat will last, but for this project it worked perfectly. So after aligning my buttons, that is it for this cute little project. Now I'm using foxtails that came from the Dollar Tree to put them in the mason jar, and then this wheat, I believe, that came from, or is it cat's tail, I think, that came from I believe Hobby Lobby. And that's it for this super quick and easy project that is just a great detail, great decor for any room. So as of now, my opinion of this hot glue gun is positive. I like how it works. I like how it glues, and I like that it can be used cordless. It is very important for me when I'm working on some projects. Another thing that I like about this hot glue gun is that it has a rubber on the tip of the hot glue gun, so that saved me from burning my fingers. That happened many times before. And now, as always, I want to introduce myself if you're new to my channel. Hi, welcome. I'm Jelena, stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. I love doing DIYs. I love creating inexpensive, budget-friendly decor for my home, and I love to show you how I do it. I hope you enjoyed my videos, and I hope you will stick around. And for all of you that are already here, thank you so much for supporting me. If you're on a social media, please look for me. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. I would love to connect with you. For my second quick, easy project, I'm going to be using this craft paper that came from the Dollar Tree. I already cut one rectangle piece, and this is the skewer that I already had at home. And then I'm going to be using two large beads that came from the Dollar Tree as well. Next, I'm going to take a pencil and I will just approximately measure out how much I need to cut to create that pointy end towards the bottom, and I'm going to cut it out. If you would like to be precise, you can certainly use a ruler. I did not want to do that. So now I'm using Truffle by Waverly Chalk Paint to paint these two beads. I'm going to leave them to dry, and while that is drying, I'm just going to stencil draw that I got from the Dollar Tree as a mark where I'm going to be stenciling the letters. And next I'm going to show you this marker. It's a brush tip marker that I'm going to be using for stenciling the letters. So you see me over here drawing two lines. I wanted to make sure I am staying straight with my letters. And after that, I am starting to stencil in the words, the letters, and the words will be choose gratitude. It was very easy to stencil with this marker. I really liked it. The only thing I had to make sure is after each letter, I needed to clean the stencil because I didn't want the marker to transfer onto this paper. Now I am just erasing that line that I've created. And next thing will be to attach my skewer on the top of this sign. I cut it down to size, and then using the hot glue gun, I am just attaching it on the top of this paper sign, like so. So wrapping it around this skewer. Next, I am taking this rope that I actually got from Hobby Lobby. It was very inexpensive, $2.99, and I used my coupon 40% off. I'm cutting out a little piece and I'm tying knots on both sides of this skewer, like you see me doing it over here. And then I will cut off the excess, and I will attach two of those beads that are dry by now using a hot glue gun. And then I also add a little more hot glue inside of the bead hole just to make sure it is secure. And now I thought the sign needs something extra, so I went ahead and got my markers. I got a green and a brown marker, and I started to draw leaves, kind of like a garland leaves. This is just something that I did from my memory. I don't know if this is how it really looks or not, but at the end it really turned out nice and I was happy with it. So after I was done creating this and coloring the green with the green color, I decided to go ahead and get a white craft paint and this very precise brush, and I started just making a little shadow in each green leaf. I thought that really added something beautiful to this garland. And then after that, this project is complete. I really like this project. I love how it turned out, and I especially like the wording on it because we need to be thankful and grateful every day for everything that we have, and especially in today's world with everything that's going on. I think we need to be grateful for a lot of things. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you. And I just want to mention that from now on you can see my new videos every Tuesday and Friday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, unless there is some kind of challenge or collaboration going on, and I will make sure to let you know in advance if it's going to be in a different time. I hope you will come and join me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.